You look great today. You look great today. You look great today. You have a wonderful smile. You have a wonderful smile. You have a wonderful smile. Your outfit is stunning. Your outfit is stunning. Your outfit is stunning. Your hair looks fantastic. Your hair looks fantastic. Your hair looks fantastic. You're so talented. You're so talented. You're so talented. You have a beautiful soul. You have a beautiful soul. You have a beautiful soul. Your kindness is truly appreciated. Your kindness is truly appreciated. Your kindness is truly appreciated. You have a heart of gold. You have a heart of gold. You have a heart of gold. You're a great listener. You're a great listener. You're a great listener. Your work is exceptional. Your work is exceptional. Your work is exceptional. You're very creative. You're very creative. You're very creative. You have a fantastic sense of humor. You have a fantastic sense of humor. You have a fantastic sense of humor. You're an amazing friend. You're an amazing friend. You're an amazing friend. Your generosity knows no bounds. Your generosity knows no bounds. Your generosity knows no bounds. You're a true beauty, inside and out. You're a true beauty, inside and out. You're a true beauty, inside and out. You're a real inspiration. You're a real inspiration. You're a real inspiration. Your positivity is contagious. Your positivity is contagious. Your positivity is contagious. You have a great sense of style. You have a great sense of style. You have a great sense of style. You're incredibly intelligent. You're incredibly intelligent. You're incredibly intelligent. Your dedication is admirable. Your dedication is admirable. Your dedication is admirable. You're a wonderful parent. You're a wonderful parent. You're a wonderful parent. You have a way with words. You have a way with words. You have a way with words. You're a true leader. You're a true leader. You're a true leader. You're a role model to many. You're a role model to many. You're a role model to many. Your cooking is delicious. Your cooking is delicious. Your cooking is delicious. You're an excellent problem solver. You're an excellent problem solver. You're an excellent problem solver. You're a valuable team member. You're a valuable team member. You're a valuable team member. You're a ray of sunshine. You're a ray of sunshine. You're a ray of sunshine. You're a great mentor. You're a great mentor. You're a great mentor. Your thoughtfulness means a lot. Your thoughtfulness means a lot. Your thoughtfulness means a lot. You're an exceptional partner. You're an exceptional partner. You're an exceptional partner. Your advice is always helpful. Your advice is always helpful. Your advice is always helpful. You're an outstanding teacher. You're an outstanding teacher. You're an outstanding teacher. You're a fantastic role model. You're a fantastic role model. You're a fantastic role model. You're a genuine person. You're a genuine person. You're a genuine person. Your energy is infectious. Your energy is infectious. Your energy is infectious. You have a big heart. You have a big heart. You have a big heart. You're a wonderful example. You're a wonderful example. You're a wonderful example. Your patience is remarkable. Your patience is remarkable. Your patience is remarkable. You're a great motivator. You're a great motivator. You're a great motivator. You're a true friend. You're a true friend. You're a true friend. Your positivity brightens my day. Your positivity brightens my day. Your positivity brightens my day. You're a fantastic communicator. You're a fantastic communicator. You're a fantastic communicator. You have a unique perspective. You have a unique perspective. You have a unique perspective. You're a true professional. You're a true professional. You're a true professional. Your enthusiasm is inspiring. Your enthusiasm is inspiring. Your enthusiasm is inspiring. You're an incredible artist. You're an incredible artist. You're an incredible artist. Your dedication to your family is evident. Your dedication to your family is evident. Your dedication to your family is evident. You're a strong and resilient person. You're a strong and resilient person. You're a strong and resilient person. You make the world a better place. You make the world a better place. You make the world a better place. You're a true asset to our team. You're a true asset to our team. You're a true asset to our team. You have a heart of compassion. You have a heart of compassion. You have a heart of compassion. You're incredibly resourceful. You're incredibly resourceful. You're incredibly resourceful. Your determination is admirable. Your determination is admirable. Your determination is admirable. You're a great problem solver. You're a great problem solver. You're a great problem solver. You have a wonderful sense of humor. You have a wonderful sense of humor. You have a wonderful sense of humor. Your sense of style is impeccable. Your sense of style is impeccable. Your sense of style is impeccable. You're a fantastic listener. You're a fantastic listener. You're a fantastic listener. You're a true gem among friends. You're a true gem among friends. You're a true gem among friends. Your integrity is beyond reproach. Your integrity is beyond reproach. Your integrity is beyond reproach. You're an excellent communicator. You're an excellent communicator. You're an excellent communicator. Your attention to detail is impressive. Your attention to detail is impressive. Your attention to detail is impressive. You're a true original. You're a true original. You're a true original. You have a great work ethic. You have a great work ethic. You have a great work ethic. Your dedication to your craft is evident. Your dedication to your craft is evident. Your dedication to your craft is evident. You're a true professional. You're a true professional. You're a true professional. You're a real go-getter. You're a real go-getter. You're a real go-getter. Your leadership skills are outstanding. Your leadership skills are outstanding. Your leadership skills are outstanding. You're a person of integrity. You're a person of integrity. You're a person of integrity. Your wisdom is valued by many. Your wisdom is valued by many. Your wisdom is valued by many. You're a role model for others. You're a role model for others. You're a role model for others. Your positive attitude is uplifting. Your positive attitude is uplifting. Your positive attitude is uplifting. You have an incredible memory. You have an incredible memory. You have an incredible memory. You're a source of inspiration. You're a source of inspiration. You're a source of inspiration. Your commitment to excellence is commendable. Your commitment to excellence is commendable. Your commitment to excellence is commendable. You're a true innovator. You're a true innovator. You're a true innovator. Your insights are always insightful. Your insights are always insightful. Your insights are always insightful. You're an exceptional problem solver. You're an exceptional problem solver. You're an exceptional problem solver. Your attention to detail is impeccable. Your attention to detail is impeccable. Your attention to detail is impeccable. You're a natural leader. You're a natural leader. You're a natural leader. You have a heart of gold. You have a heart of gold. You have a heart of gold. You're an incredible motivator. You're an incredible motivator. You're an incredible motivator. Your kindness knows no bounds. Your kindness knows no bounds. Your kindness knows no bounds. You're a true visionary. You're a true visionary. You're a true visionary. You're a shining example. You're a shining example. You're a shining example. Your perseverance is inspiring. Your perseverance is inspiring. Your perseverance is inspiring. You're a great team player. You're a great team player. You're a great team player. Your dedication to your goals is unwavering. Your dedication to your goals is unwavering. Your dedication to your goals is unwavering. You're a fantastic parent. You're a fantastic parent. You're a fantastic parent. You're a true humanitarian. You're a true humanitarian. You're a true humanitarian. Your generosity is boundless. Your generosity is boundless. Your generosity is boundless. You're a great role model. You're a great role model. You're a great role model. Your sense of humor is delightful. Your sense of humor is delightful. Your sense of humor is delightful. You're a true friend in every way. You're a true friend in every way. You're a true friend in every way. Your words have a profound impact. Your words have a profound impact. Your words have a profound impact. You're a ray of sunshine on cloudy days. You're a ray of sunshine on cloudy days. You're a ray of sunshine on cloudy days. You're a true blessing. You're a true blessing. You're a true blessing. Your positive outlook is infectious. Your positive outlook is infectious. Your positive outlook is infectious. You're a source of strength for others. You're a source of strength for others. You're a source of strength for others. You're a gift to those around you. You're a gift to those around you. You're a gift to those around you.